In this video, we're going to sort and order data. To order data, we're going to use this example here. It says the following data is collected on GPS navigation systems. Order the data to construct a graphical display. So, in order to order this data, here's what we're going to press. We press the Stat key first. Pressing Stat, you have a menu that says Edit, Calc, and Test. We're going to press Edit. Edit brings us to our list. We're going to enter each one of these numbers into L1, list 1. As you type the numbers in, make sure you press enter after each number. As you notice, you can see that as you're typing these numbers in, you have L1 subset by another number. This gives you the entry that you're on. Right now, as we're typing, we can see we're on entry number 9. So as we type these in, now by typing the last one in, you can see that we've typed in the L131, which means waiting for 31st observation, which means there's 30 observations above it. So now we're going to sort this list. So in order to sort this list, we'll press the Stat key again. And under Stat, you see Sort A and Sort D. So Sort A stands for sort ascending. Sort D stands for sort descending. Ascending means goes from least to greatest, so we want to do here. So we'll press enter on Sort A. Now we need to call a list. In order to call a list, you can do it two ways. The first way is to press second, then the Stat key, and you have your list sitting here. Our data is an L1. There's a second way, a quicker way that I like to use, which is I press second. If you notice above the keys 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, you'll see L1, L2, L3, L4, and L5, and L6. We're going to call L1, close the parentheses, and press enter. It'll say done. Now, if we go back and look at the list from the Stat menu, press enter on edit, you'll see that this list is now sorted for us. So this is a quick way to sort your data.